In terms of my focus, in terms of Fragile X research, I think about it in two ways. One is both understanding the physiology of how the brain works in Fragile X, but as a physician, I feel as one of my callings is to think about innovative treatments in Fragile X. And in my case, those tend to be in a few different arenas. We've put together a team here of basic scientists, clinical scientists, psychologists, different types of interdisciplinary specialties to really understand what something like a protein replacement therapy in Fragile X would look like, and understanding how to put that together in both the safest and the best way possible. We've began working primarily in animal models to understand how replacing the Fragile X protein in the mouse will affect both behavior and other aspects of the mouse phenotype. When we think about now, when it comes to the application to humans, how do we think about that? One example I'll give is that when you think about Fragile X in nature, you think about different individuals with different amounts of protein depending on their mutation status. And with different amounts of protein, you can have different strengths and weaknesses. And so when we think about Fragile X gene therapy, this is not, to me, considered a curative therapy, but rather one where would adding protein to an existing system help augment and help enhance some behaviors that could make it primarily something that would really shift the needle in terms of quality of life or cognition, emotional regulation. So those are, I think, some very exciting avenues as we think about the modern era of potential protein replacement in Fragile X.